Let's make a pop-up text box using Adobe Acrobat. First of all, open a PDF file, then go to Tools, click on Prepare Form, and here, first of all, let's select these, add a text field, and then draw a pop-up text box. And now, open the text box properties, select General, and here, name your text box. My text box name is text9, and then form field, select here hidden and enable read only option. Then go to appearance. Here you can change your border and background for your pop-up text box, and then here come to this option section. Here in this default value box you have to write those text you want to visible for your pop-up box. So this is my text for my pop-up box, and then just click on close. And now select this OK button, and let's add here this OK button. And now right click on this button, open properties, select General, name your button, form field, make sure to select here visible, then go to appearance. Let's add a fill color for the button, and go to options and behavior, select none, and then go to actions and select trigger. Click on this option, and here select mouse enter, then click on select action. In this list you have to select show hide a field, and then click on add. So whenever you enter your mouse on this button, which field you want to show. Here we have to select our text pop-up text box. So my pop-up text box name is text9, so I'm selecting text9, and here I'm selecting show. And then again select trigger, select here mouse exit, select action, show hide a field, add, select your pop-up text box, and this time select here hide and click on OK. Now click on close, click on preview. Now if I hover over on this button, as you can see my pop-up text box is now showing. So that's how you can actually make a pop-up text box using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching.